We do have a very exciting agenda ahead of us.
So what this act is doing is try to create an orderly entry into the payment space, how you can be allowed to operate, what you're expected to do while there, and how you can exit. It is supported by 3 regulations so far. The first one is more like NPS general regulations about licensing, mainly. And the second one is about agents, how agents are supposed to be recruited.
We very much welcome the National Payment Systems Act because it brings order, it brings oversight, it brings rules. Most importantly, it brings standards. Financial sector thrives on integrity of the system, the safety of the system.
There are a number of things that we don't get right because of the constraint of our finances. Sometimes, and mainly is in governance for us to start streamlining your function and assure that there is a separation of duty.
If the payment systems are not efficient and effectively working, this may not be possible because the banks may not have the funds, so the cost of funds will still remain high. Why? Because the money is, say, a lot of it is in the informal sector. So payment systems help to create linkages to ensure efficiency and bring this kind of funds into the formal system. And indeed, we have taken a 2-pronged approach, I would say. But let me emphasize the one side, promoting e-payments. This is the key thing in the central bank.
I would like the regulator to allow that space to be driven by the FITSPA, the UBA, and you have oversight so that we have homegrown solutions and shape our ecosystem within the regulated framework. And of course, no doubt we can benchmark on other international payment systems for best practices and robustness.